क्यूए की मेरी ऐसी थी स्ट्रैटेजी कि मैं अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स पे फोकस करना चाहता था ज़्यादा, वीकनेसेस की जगह। तो उसके लिए मैंने कई जो टॉपिक्स थे जिनमें मैं बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल नहीं था, वो मैंने टॉपिक्स छोड़ दिए। एंड इन माई प्रिपरेशन आई गेव अबाउट 60 सेक्शनल टेस्ट, out of which I think 40 must have been for BA. I spent 45% of my time and I ended up scoring just 5 marks from them.
Okay.
So question attempting strategy मेरी उस टाइम ज़्यादा काम करी नहीं अच्छे से, and in the waiting area I was very anxious. Like 3 people came up to me and they were like, भाई ठीक है ना?
Hey folks, Akshan this side from Ace IPM. I am currently in the beautiful city of Panipat, which has witnessed 3 different battles in the past. But that is not the reason why I am here for today. The reason is very special because I have a very special guest with me, which is Arpit, who was All India Rank 2 this year in IIM Indore's IPM admission process. In this video and this episode of Ace State, we are going to hear his experience of preparing for this examination. What all did he do to end up getting such a very high rank in this particular process and everything around that. So without any further ado, let's begin. And Arpit, could you please start with your introduction?
Hello, I am Arpit. I am from Panipat, Haryana. I was a partial dropper this year, although this was my first attempt at IPMAT examination. I scored 92.8% in class 10th and 92.4% in class 12th. I had commerce with applied maths, and as for my IPMAT score, I had a score of 270, 56 in the QSA section, 53 in the QMCQ section, and 161 in verbal ability.
Alright, that is a brilliant score to begin with. इतने में पता नहीं कितने बच्चे पास हो जाते, बट कमिंग टू द पॉइंट कि ठीक है आपने बढ़िया स्कोर तो करा है, बट स्कोर करने से पहले इस स्कोर को लाने के लिए भाई बच्चे को बहुत मेहनत से पढ़ना भी पड़ता है, डेडिकेशन चाहिए होती है, और वो डेडिकेशन जब तक नहीं आ सकती जब तक इंसान बहुत मोटिवेटेड ना हो आईपीएम के लिए. सो व्हाट वाज योर मोटिवेशन टू परस्यू अ प्रोग्राम लाइक आईपीएम?
What I really liked about the program was its curriculum, how it does not limit itself to only one thing and it has a little bit of everything. And I was also sure that I want to do an MBA later in life. So IPMAT से वो safety हो जाती है कि आपको CAT नहीं देना पड़ेगा आगे जाके. And obviously there was the prestige of the institution. IIM Indore is a great institute.
Fair enough. तो चलिए, कॉलेज तो बढ़िया है, आपने प्रिपरेशन भी अच्छे से करी, तो क्या आप मुझे समझा सकते हैं व्हाट वाज योर प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी लाइक? सिंस वी हैव हैड ब्रिलियंट स्कोर्स इन बोथ द पार्ट्स, क्वांट्स एज वेल एज वर्बल, हम दोनों को डिफरेंटली टच अपॉन करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ डिड यू एंड अप प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन?
तो क्यूए की मेरी ऐसी थी स्ट्रैटेजी कि मैं अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स पे फोकस करना चाहता था ज़्यादा, वीकनेसेस की जगह. तो उसके लिए मैंने कई जो टॉपिक्स थे जिनमें मैं बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल नहीं था, वो मैंने टॉपिक्स छोड़ दिए. जैसे आई लेफ्ट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, I left matrices and determinants, and I also left coordinate geometry. And by left, I do not mean that I outright left them. मतलब मैंने बेसिक्स हर चीज़ के कवर किए, और जो बाकी जो मेरे टॉपिक्स थे उनको मैं इतना स्ट्रेंथन करने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि अगर उस टॉपिक में से कोई क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो मुझे पढ़ना भी ना पड़े, कि मैं सीधा उसको अटेम्प्ट कर पाऊँ. So that was my strategy for QA. And for my VA strategy, I did not do much. I love to read. I mean, at least I used to read a lot. अब थोड़ी सी आदत छूट गई है, बट VA उसी से कवर हो गई थी मेरी सारी. एंड आई प्रैक्टिस्ड विद सेक्शनल टेस्ट, सो दैट वाज माय VA स्ट्रैटेजी.
So the takeaway from this particular conversation, काफी बच्चे सोचेंगे, सुनते ही ये बोलेंगे अच्छा ठीक है सारे टॉपिक नहीं करने हैं. That is not what he said. What he mentioned was कि हाँ सारे टॉपिक करने हैं, बेसिक लेवल पे करने हैं,
right.
बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ परफेक्शन कि आप क्वेश्चन देखो और आप श्योर हो कि कर पाऊंगा. ठीक है, कोई डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन आ गया, टाइम ज्यादा लग रहा है, पर एटलीस्ट वो कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, कर पाऊंगा. देख के क्वेश्चन आप समझ पा रहे हो कि हाँ ये क्वेश्चन 2 मिनट का है, 1 मिनट का है, 4 मिनट लगेंगे. ये जो मास्टरी है उसमें, क्योंकि आपके पास टाइम आपके हिसाब से लिमिटेड था, आप पार्शियल ड्रॉपर भी थे, तो इसलिए आपने वो चीज एक सेट अमाउंट ऑफ टॉपिक पे करी विच कवर्स अ मेजॉरिटी ऑफ टॉपिक. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत सारे टॉपिक छोड़े थे, 3-4 टॉपिक छोड़े थे, बट उसमें भी ऐसा था कि कोई बेसिक क्वेश्चन आता है, कोई भी ऐसा इजी सा क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, तो वो छोड़ के नहीं जाऊंगा, करके तो मैं वो भी आऊंगा. एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू कैन स्कोर दिस मच. अदरवाइज अगर बच्चे सारे टॉपिक छोड़ने लगे तो कट ऑफ निकालना भी इन अ वे मुश्किल हो सकता है, बिकॉज पैटर्न चेंजेस. ऐसा नहीं है कि इस साल अगर 2 क्वेश्चन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के अगले साल भी 2 ही आएंगे. ऑल ऑफ इट वेरी. सो हमें प्रिपेयर तो एनीवे सबका करना है, बट कुछ चीजों पे थोड़ा स्पेसिफिक आप ध्यान दे सकते हो और कुछ चीजों को थोड़ा कम ध्यान दे सकते हो. इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रायोरिटाइजेशन, राइट?
एग्जैक्ट.
आपने वर्बल में बोला कि आपकी रीडिंग की हैबिट थी, So which is why you were able to score high, like very high in verbal. I think your score is one of the highest, even if you look at by the means of ATS, calculation. So in that case 161 का स्कोर लाने के लिए आपने कहा आप रीडिंग करते थे, बढ़िया था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. बट काफ़ी बच्चे होते हैं इंक्लूडिंग मी, I am not a very voracious reader. So for somebody like me who wants to start his IP Mat journey, I have, let's say for example 6 to 12 months of time left to prepare for this examination. What should the strategy be to ensure कि मैं अगर VA में अभी अच्छा नहीं भी हूँ तो भी मैं उसे over the time cover कर पाऊँ और एक अच्छे respectable score के साथ ना ही cut off clear करूँ, but rather I have that buffer as well to have a higher ATS.
So I think रीडिंग तो हेल्प करती है, और रीडिंग में मेरे हिसाब से आपके पास दो सोर्सेज होने चाहिए. एक जो आप ज़्यादा बल्क में पढ़ पाओ और एक जो ज़्यादा क्वालिटी में पढ़ पाओ, जिसमें थोड़ी वोकैबुलरी हाई लेवल की हो. तो जैसे फर्स्ट रिसोर्स की बात करूँ तो आई यूज टू रीड नॉवेल्स, फिक्शन नॉवेल्स मोस्टली. एंड फॉर द सेकेंड रिसोर्स आई थिंक एडिटोरियल्स और Aeon essays आर अ वेरी गुड सोर्स. एंड VA requires a lot of practice from you. So for the practice part I used to give a lot of sectional tests, and in my preparation I gave about 60 sectional tests, out of which I think 40 must have been for VA, and so that was my secret for VA preparation.
Fair enough. ठीक है, आपने बढ़िया preparation करा and you touched upon the sectional test वाला part. I'm sure you must have given a lot of mocks as well,
Right.
which is why you could create a strategy and repeat it in the actual exam as well. So how many mocks did you give? First of all, can you please tell me that?
I gave a total of 38 mock tests, and
Is that just for Indore or that includes Rohtak as well?
no, just for Indore I gave 38 mock.
Fair enough. And sectionals आपने बोला 60 के around.
60 sectionals.
60 sectionals, okay. So in that case, mocks में जब से आप दे रहे हो, तो worst या starting score क्या रहा होगा और आपने कितने score पर peak करा था?
So my worst score was 137. This was the first mock that I gave in November.
Okay.
And for my best score it was 271. That was right before the examination, I think 2 or 3 days before the exam.
Fair enough. So you were able to repeat that in the actual exam as well. So that is amazing. And for that to happen, you must have analyzed the mocks as well and work on your weaknesses. So how was the analysis part for you? Like आप mocks को analyze कैसे करते थे?
So I used to spend a lot of time on analysis. Like 2 hour का तो attempt होता है. मैं उससे डबल एटलीस्ट स्पेंड करता था एनालाइज करने में उसको. तो जितने क्वेश्चन मुझसे सॉल्व हो जाते थे मैं उनको एक बार फिर से करके देखता था, और जो नहीं सॉल्व होते थे उनको भी करके देखता था, और जो नहीं होते थे सॉल्व उनको मैं बुक मार्क कर लेता था. सो आई थिंक आपको ये चीज़ बहुत हेल्प कर सकती है, जो आपने इससे सॉल्व नहीं हुए या फिर जो आपको लगता है कि एक बार मैं इनको फिर से देख सकता हूँ क्वेश्चंस को, उनको बुक मार्क कर लो और रेगुलरली उनको गो थ्रू करते रहो. एक बार जैसे आपको आदत पड़ जाएगी वो बार बार सॉल्व करने की, तो फिर वो बाद में मिस्टेक रिपीट नहीं होती.
Fair enough. तो you prepared so very well for this examination. तो इतने preparation के बाद जब आप exam देने गए, how was your examination experience like?
Okay, so I was very nervous before the exam. मैंने अपने आप को रास्ते में तो काम कर लिया था जब हम सेंटर पहुंच रहे थे, लेकिन जब सेंटर पे देखा कि इतने सारे लोग हैं तो I was just thinking how am I actually going to compete with so many people. तो जब सेंटर पे मैं पहुंचा तब I was very anxious, like मेरी हार्ट बीट बहुत तेज़ हो रखी थी. एंड बिफोर द एग्ज़ाम एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड आई वाज अ लिटिल जिटरी. So the first section was QSA section, and I found that to be actually very easy because QSA section wasn't very mathematically heavy. It was more logic based, so I think that played out in my favor. And I was able to solve 13 questions in 37 minutes. और जो 2 questions थे वो मैंने बाकी के छोड़ दिए थे क्योंकि मुझे लगा था ये तो सॉल्व नहीं हो पाएंगे, तो आई हैड पुट रैंडम आंसर्स इन दैट. फिर जब 3 मिनट बचे थे बिल्कुल, सो आई डिसाइडेड टू पिक वन ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन, और वो एक्चुअली में सॉल्व हो गया मुझसे. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट कंप्लेसेंट. फिर जब MCQ सेक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ उसमें आई स्पेंड 10 मिनट्स ऑन जस्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस. सिर्फ 3 क्वेश्चन अटैम्प्ट करने में मैंने 10 मिनट स्पेंड कर दिए. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड टू पैनिक. फिर उसकी वजह से आई एंडेड अप मेकिंग 3 सिली मिस्टेक्स, लाइक प्रॉपर सिली मिस्टेक्स की. क्वेश्चन सॉल्व ठीक किया, एडिशन में गलती कर दी, या फिर सिंपल 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना भूल गया, ऐसे वाली. एंड माई स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर QA MCQ सेक्शन वाज कि मैं 20 क्वेश्चन तक पहले नॉर्मली जाता था, एंड उस टाइम तक आपको एक डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल पता चल जाता है. फिर मैं उसके बाद LR सेट पे स्किप होता था देखने के लिए कि ये ज़्यादा सॉल्वेबल है या फिर मुझे QA वाले क्वेश्चन ही करने चाहिए. and I spent 7 or 8 minutes on the LR set, and I was actually not able to solve it. I was able to come down to 2 options in 2 questions कि या तो ये होगा आंसर या फिर दूसरा वाला ऑप्शन होएगा. And since I had spent 7 or 8 minutes, I ended up attempting both of them. Anyway, I got -2 in that. So I spent 45% of my time, and I ended up scoring just 5 marks from them.
Okay.
So question attempting strategy मेरी उस टाइम ज़्यादा काम करी नहीं अच्छे से, but I was able to cover the rest of it, and I did not make the same mistake in VA. I pretty much sailed through VA. मुझे बहुत easy लगी वो, उसमें ऐसे कुछ problem आई नहीं, and that was it.
Alright, fair enough. So again, another takeaway, काफ़ी लोग होते हैं जो dependent होते हैं on their LR set in the MCQ कि उसी से cut off निकालेंगे, but that does not always work out. You always
Right.
need to have a plan B. In your case, the plan of action, since you've already given so many mocks, तो आपको पता था कि पहले 20 क्वेश्चन देखूंगा, उसके बाद में जाऊंगा LR सेट में. काफ़ी बच्चे LR सेट से ही चालू करते हैं, पहले डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं जब वो डिफिकल्ट होता है. आपके केस में भी शायद अगर आपने LR से स्टार्ट करा होता तो शायद आप सेम पैनिक आपको तब होता. But you had a strategy which worked for you, might or might not work for other people, but you had a strategy which you had already practiced 38 number of times and it just worked. So, commendable job over there. So in that case, आपने अच्छा एग्जाम दिया, एग्जाम का रिजल्ट आया, you had a very high score, a score of 270. उसके बाद भी I remember इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे you had mentioned, you have messaged कि भैया मुझे पता है कि इन लोगों के बहुत जो ज़्यादा हाई स्कोर आते हैं उन लोगों को वेटलेस नंबर बहुत पीछे पीछे भी आती है, तो मेरे साथ ऐसा ना हो जाए, तो मैं क्या करूँ. सो इन दैट केस, इवन इन द केस ऑफ इंटरव्यू यू वर नॉट कंप्लेसेंट. आपको पता था कि देयर इज अ चांस कि अगर यहाँ पर भी मैंने मेसअप करा तो हो सकता है कि एग्जाम के अच्छे जाने के बाद भी, इतना अच्छा स्कोर आने के बाद भी मेरा सिलेक्शन ना हो. सो इन दैट केस हाउ वाज योर इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन लाइक?
So I am in the interview, mostly focus is on academics. Even my interview was mostly academic based. So I went through the 11th and 12th syllabus through YouTube lectures, and I also started reading the newspapers and going through the headlines to cover up my GK part, and that was it.
Okay. And in that case, how was your interview experience like?
So interview was a weird experience for me because when I walked out of the room, I was not sure कि ये इंटरव्यू अच्छा गया या बहुत ख़राब गया. सो आई टॉक अबाउट माई एक्सपीरियंस. सो माई इंटरव्यू वॉज इन दिल्ली in the afternoon shift, and in the waiting area I was very anxious. Like 3 people came up to me and they were like, भाई ठीक है ना, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, टेंशन ना ले. And the people that had their interview before me, they did not exactly walk out smiling. मतलब उनके भी फेस से लग रहा था कि इंटरव्यू अच्छा नहीं हुआ. So that made me more anxious. And so I'll talk about my interview. When I went into the room, they started with my introduction, and they started with microeconomics, and then it transitioned into mathematics. So I was asked, I think, 4 or 5 questions from maths. I was not able to solve only one question, and they asked the logic behind everything. They wanted to know if I actually understood the answer that I was giving. So I think that part went well. And then they returned back to economics. It was a mix of both micro and macro. And the terms that they were asking me about, either I was not sure about them or I could not recall them as such. तो उधर मैं काफ़ी फंबल किया मैंने उस टाइम. It was a pretty short interview for me. It was only I think 8 or 9 minutes. I fumbled a lot towards the end, and that was it for the interview. I was not sure if it went well.
All right. You were not very sure as well in terms of interview. Interview के बाद result कैसा आएगा, कैसा नहीं आएगा. जिस दिन result आया भी, you had a message. I had a message from you in my WhatsApp कि भैया इसमें rank 2 दिखा रहा है क्या? इसका मतलब waitlist rank 2 है. So very surreal experience, and I'm really happy that you've gone through this examination, gotten through this examination, and you deserve it. You very well deserve it. You have prepared very diligently, and you have that has reflected in the result as well. So Arpit, you were a student of ACE IPM. You almost exclusively prepared for IPM ad with us, and you started your preparation with us around the month of August last year. Right. So almost a year long preparation in the Aspire batch for toppers. By the way, we also have Aspire Batch 2.0 coming up. So, the batch has already started. You can go and enroll yourself. The link will be now in the description, along with the scholarship form, along with the discount code. But you were also a part of the first version of Aspire Batch. So, how was your experience like with ACE IPM? What were the resources that you found helpful?
So मुझे शुरू से ये थोड़ी सेल्फ स्टडी की आदत है. I like to study at my own pace. And that is what I really found convenient about ACE IPM, that there were recorded lectures for everything. I could just go through them whenever I wanted to. And it also provided a structure to my preparation. They provided a planner. So I knew how much I have to do in a particular day. And even if I don't want to do a particular topic, I could just skip ahead and go through the other topic to jump to the other topic and come back to the topic that is currently going on later. So that is something I really liked. I also found the mock tests to be very well relevant if I compare them to the actual examination, because actual examination में भी MCQ section जो था वो थोड़ा tough था as compared to last year, but I was already used to that because ACE mocks में भी MCQ section का level काफ़ी high रहता है. So if I had not attempted the ACE mocks, I think I would have struggled with it in the actual examination.
Fair enough. So, yep, a lot of people, a common feedback is that हमारे mocks difficult होते हैं, they demotivate people, which I partly agree with. कि आप ऐसे difficult mock देते हैं तो of course score कम आता है तो motivation down जाता है. But first of all, you should not be looking at your score. You should rather look at your rank and percentile. That gives a much better representation of where do you actually stand. And secondly, again, if you prepare for the worst, you can perform your best when it comes to the actual examination. So that is the thought process that we work with, and it has worked for us for the past 4 years. So we'll probably continue doing that. So that is how things are like in terms of the mocks. So thank you so much for your kind words about our role in your journey. Of course, if I talk about the result, most of it is your hard work, because same resources बाकी बच्चों के पास भी होते हैं. You were the one who would who could make use of them and utilize it in a way कि आप उसको actually you can convert that into final selection. So commendable job on that. Before we कब ले लेंगे, but before we end up wrap up this discussion, do you have any one final tip for the upcoming aspirants कि उन लोगों को अगर IPMAT के लिए prepare करना है, what could be that one advice which can be a complete game changer in terms of their preparation?
I would actually give you 2 tips. One was that I found sectional tests to be equally helpful as compared to mock tests, because वो demotivate भी कम करते हैं, because you don't see an overall score. And अगर आपको एक section की strategy बनानी है या फिर एक section में practice करनी है, for that I think sectional tests are very helpful. Another tip I would give is focus on your strengths and do not worry too much about your weaknesses. The topics that you are weak in, cover the basics and अपनी strengths को इतना strengthen कर लो कि अगर उसमें से क्वेश्चन आए तो आपको कोई इशू ना आ पाए.
Fair enough. So Arpit, thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you so much for being a part of ACE IPM as well. It was a very pleasant journey with you, and I wish you all the best for your college journey as well. I hope that is eventful for the next 5 years of your life at IIM Indore. So thank you so much for this interview and all the best. And if in case you people are also interested in any of the courses for IPMAT, if in case you're preparing for IPM, you can head over to aceipm.com and enroll for our recently launched batches for droppers, fresher as well as 2026. The discount code will also be available down in the description, which you can make use of and avail the course at a lesser price. That would be it. I will be with you in another interview with another person talking about their experience and journey of preparing for IPMAT. Till then, stay safe, take care, all the best, and thank you, ACE IPM.
Thank you.
Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on aceipm.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and ACE IPM. Thank you.